जो बात है।
Here's how you can use your Apple Pencil to write in even more places, starting in iPad OS 14. Now there's no need to put your Apple Pencil away when you want to add a reminder or reply to a message. Your Apple Pencil converts your handwriting to text as you write. This feature is called Scribble, and it works in any text field. Just start writing with your Apple Pencil, and watch your handwriting transform. Here are some helpful scribble gestures you can try. Touch and hold between two letters with your Apple Pencil to add a space. Then write a new word in the gray text field that appears. Or use the shortcut palette to access actions that are normally found on the keyboard. This changes depending on the app you're using. Need to select a few words to copy or format them? Just circle or draw a line through a word or sentence. Draw a vertical line between two words to create a single word. Or draw a line between letters in a single word to create two words. Scratch out a word or phrase to delete it. To use Scribble in Notes, tap the handwriting tools icon with your Apple Pencil. And then tap the Scribble tool. This will change your handwriting to text as you write, but you can select another tool to keep your handwriting as is. Notes can tell the difference between words and drawings, so you can select handwritten words to use in other places. Just double tap with your finger to highlight a single word. You can also sweep your finger over your writing to select more text, like an entire phrase or paragraph. Want to paste your handwriting as text? Tap your selected words with your finger, and then tap Copy as Text. You can paste in the same app, or switch to a different one. Tap where you want to place the text, then tap Paste, and there it is. Notes recognizes handwritten dates, addresses, phone numbers, and more. Just tap an item to take action, like send an email or view an address in Maps. The shape recognition feature helps fine-tune some of the shapes you draw in Notes with your Apple Pencil. Just draw a shape and hold your Apple Pencil in place to watch your shape become more defined. Now you can draw a nicely rounded circle freehand, a symmetrical star, and other shapes. Nice. Now you're ready to use your Apple Pencil in even more apps on your iPad. Try it out yourself. To learn more about what you can do with your iPad and Apple Pencil,